I grew up branded foster child, stepchild, half-sister, other. Labels like razor wire, tight around a little girl's ribs. I remember summer evenings when the sun refused to set, children's laughter spilling in from the outside, while we lay awake for hours in beds where we were sent with disgust much too early. I remember lifting the metal grate from the floor, pressing my face to the vent, just to catch a sliver of the life we weren't allowed to have. The flicker of a television show, like a lighthouse on someone else's shore. I remember the kick that almost sent me tumbling through that vent, my hands clinging to the edges, a skinny child trying not to fall, already falling. People tell me they don't believe in evil. I tell them, you have no idea what you're talking about. But here's the thing no one expects. Inside that darkness, the child was already building a language to save herself. While they were calling me foster, half, step, I was whispering a different word into the cracks of my own heart. Bonus. Not foster. Bonus. Not step. Bonus. Not half. Bonus. I started saying it in the mid-70s, long before hashtags, long before memes, when the only viral thing was pain passed down like inheritance. Bonus. Because what I survived would not mark me less than. Because I was more resilient, more fierce, more determined to belong than anyone ever guessed. And I kept saying it. I said it for my brothers and sisters. I said it for my mother, not the one who birthed me, but my bonus mom, a farm woman of German stock who hauled Amish folk and heartbreak with equal steadiness, who stayed when she could have walked away, who survived the truck accident that killed my father, and still chose to be our mother. I said it for every child who ever pressed their face to a grate to watch life from a distance. I said it for every woman who ever stood between children and cruelty and whispered, I'm still here. And now, decades later, I see the word out there in the world, on jewelry, on cards, in captions. Let them make their money. I planted something bigger than profit. I planted a language. This is my legacy. Not the trauma, not the absence, not the loss. The language. So if you've ever been called half, foster, step, other, hear me. You are not less. You are not an afterthought. You are bonus. You are the part that makes the story whole. You are the light carried forward when others tried to put it out. You are the proof that love can choose to stay. You are the name I leave behind.